What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, and today I have a little review for you guys. Today it's on the Jordan 1 Swooshless Premium samples. These are super dope, but before we get into review, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get into the review. So I received these samples with no box. I've had these for a little while, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I've worn them quite a bit. My only real complaint with them is that they're a size 14, and I personally like having a size 13 for Jordan 1s, but they're a sample, and I can't really find the 13, so these are cool. I really don't like one lows, I must be honest. I'm not really a low guy on any Jordans, only maybe Jordan 11s. They got some pretty hard lows, I'm not gonna lie to you, but other than that, I really don't like lows. But the Swooshless Premiums are super dope, and I actually own 3 of these included, but the other ones are just general releases. I'll probably do a video on them. These are the only sample one of those I have. And I guess a little backstory, these were supposed to release, but I guess they just never did. But I find these super dope. And you guys look at the material too, like it's kind of like a Yeezy material, and it looks just like my Platinums, so I find that super dope. It's a little more raised. And honestly, I would have preferred this material on my Platinums versus what they have. It feels like way higher quality. I really like the color too. If they have other colors of these, I definitely would go for them. Even though I'm not really a one low person, I definitely like the Swooshless Premiums. I think the leather is super dope. And I used to wear Vans like a decent amount, and I just wear these now. So if I can find more Swooshless Premiums, I definitely would buy more. I think I'm missing a green, and I think there was like a white pair. So I'm definitely looking for the other colorways. If you guys have any of them in a size 13, drop it in the comments. I'll DM you. I'm definitely looking to purchase if I haven't already purchased by the time this videos came out. But these are super dope. Really are super dope. You can tell they took their time. I don't know why they didn't release it. The material in the toe box is super insane. I don't really understand why they didn't release these, because they're super nice. Like, I love all the premium right here. This looks super nice, and then also the little leather they put for the Nike Air, and then also for the wings. I wish Nike did more stuff like this. I would definitely be interested in buying any colorways that they have of this. I have a pink and I have a black pair. So any colorway they come out with, I'm definitely on that. I would buy them. They also came with this little Roman numerals on top. I don't know what that means. I did buy them, they were worn a little bit, so I don't know if these were, oh, they obviously were given to someone, but I don't know what that means. It comes with a pretty normal insole as well, like just a typical Jordan 1 insole. Nothing really special. They have these nice laces with the gold tips. Super cool, they got the little Jordan logo on them. Overall, I'm pretty excited to have these. I think these are a sleeper, and they're a great summer shoe. I have really no issues with them. This little material is just insane. I hope that Nike still does stuff like this. You know, they come out in the future. I think these, the pinnacle ones, are super dope. I love the Jordan 5 Premiums. I love all the Jordan Premiums that they do, and I think it's super slept on. It's crazy that when Nike takes their time to put in high quality materials on stuff, that it doesn't really have like a huge resale for the most part. Like comparing to the Pinnacles and comparing to, you know, Jordan 5 Premiums, those aren't really going for anything compared to like a Travis Scott one or Fragment one, which materials are nice on those too, but these are like specifically created to be high quality shoes. And I really do like these. It's like a little designer feel, and it's just a Jordan. I really just stopped buying designer, and I stopped wearing Vans, so I just see what Nike has. Nike has some premium stuff, I buy it. Since I stopped wearing Vans, I switched over to these. I only need like 3-4 pairs. I wasn't like a huge Van guy. I just had those Fear God Vans that I wore a lot, and then I had just some normal, really bright color Vans. But I just don't really wear them anymore, so having these is super dope. I think they look pretty professional. You can clean it up. Just have like a really clean fit with these. I think you pull it off. I know some people aren't really a big fan of just having Jordan 1 lows, and I really don't blame them, because I don't like having like the bread, you know, the Royals. I'm not a big fan of it. I didn't realize how bad these were. These are actually pretty dirty, but You can tell Nike really took their time. They just put this snakeskin print like all over. And it's kind of like a suede material, which is super dope. I really wish they had a Yeezy like this. I think the Yeezy 2s would have been so fire. If they would use the same exact material, it would look great. Platinums and the solars, it would look really good because I like the suede. Like it's not just snakeskin, and that's super dope. I believe these released, looks like 2017. So these are a little bit older shoe. I didn't have a lot of older Nike stuff just because I feel like it never goes out of style. When you look at these, couldn't tell when they really released. This doesn't look 2017. If they dropped these today, it would look normal, no one batted an eye. Of course, the silhouette is on the shoe from 1984, whatever year that released. The color is also like an off-white, like almost, I guess you say gray. It's very light. I'd say more like an off-white or maybe gray. No colorblind looking at it, but it's in between both of those. You can obviously tell that the midsole is super white. I'll definitely get you guys a ton of detailed pictures so you guys can see everything. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be bringing a lot of content on Nike Lab, Nike Tech. I'll be doing cool stuff like this as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.